Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about this laptop setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to off guys notification on laptop. Friends, you want to off notification on your laptop. So how to off notification today friends I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, we will click on start button. Start button friends, click here. Friends, click on setting, laptop setting guys, we will click here. Out on laptop setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your laptop. Friends, click on notification setting. Notification setting friends, we will click here. After notification setting friends, you can see get notification from app and other senders. Friends, you don't want to use, friends, my laptop notification is on, so I can off from here. After all guys, I cannot get notification from apps. So friends, you don't want to use notification on your laptop, so when you can off from here. And friends, already is off, you want to on, so when you can on and you can use your get notification app and sender, and you can use. Friends, you can see this icon friends, this arrow friends, click here. Show notification on the lock screen, you want to on, you can on and you can off from here. So guys, your notification will not show on your lock screen, so you want to on, so you can on from here guys. Friends, second option you can see focus assist. Friends, you want to on your focus assist, you can on and you can use your focus assist from here guys. So like that guys, we can on and off notification on our laptop. And guys, if I talk about shortcut setting, so guys again click on start button, click on setting guys, click on search option, notification. Friends, you can see notification setting, we will click on notification setting. Direct friends, you can off from here and you can on from here your laptop notification. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and off laptop notification. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Now do you have any doubt related to guys your laptop friends, you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.